Welcome back to Puzzle Divination. I'm Iris Knightstar. Today I'm going to show you how the numerology calculator on my website works. We use Pythagorean numerology as the foundation for the Puzzle Divination system, and this method assigns a number from 1 to 9 to each letter of the alphabet, and instead of working all that out manually, the website will calculate it for you. So let's open up the life path number calculator. And here it is. And I'll enter an example so you can see exactly how it works. So let's start. Iris. Knightstar. No, Knightstar. There we go. And date of birth. 22. July. There we go. Okay, so I've entered all the details there, as you can see, and now we just press calculate. And here we have the results. So life path number 1, which is leader, independent ambition, the pioneer and initiator. And the destiny or expression number is number 11, and this is a power number and means visionary, intuitive, spiritually aware, the inspirational guide. The life path number shows your lifelong direction, the energy that you're meant to embody. The expression or destiny number reflects your natural abilities and the talents you came into this world with. These are the same symbolic foundations we use in every puzzle divination reading. Once you know your numbers, interpreting puzzles, grid placements and keywords becomes far more personal and accurate. If you'd like to explore your numbers more deeply, I've linked my numerology book below. It includes full interpretations, compatibility, cycles and practical applications for everyday intuition. You can try the calculator right now. It's completely free and available on the website. And we'll be back later on today with today's reading from the grid. I hope to see you there. Decode, discover, divine.